If your drums sound great on their own, but get buried in the mix, turning them up isn't the answer. I'm gonna show you how to use compression to add the perfect punch so that they cut through the mix every single time.
I came a long way, but I got so far to go.
Step 1, set the stage. First, let's set up our compressor. When it comes to adding punch, I know the VCA Vintage in Logic is perfect. We'll start by adding a compressor to the drum bus. Then, turn the threshold all the way up, ratio all the way up, makeup gain at 0, knee at 0, attack at 0, release at 5K. Auto gain, auto release, and distortion all off. This gives us a baseline to start shaping the punch. Pro tip, you can save this as the starting default. Step 2, threshold placement. Now switch to the graph view. We'll slowly lower the threshold until the gain reduction meter is hitting the middle of the transients. Think of this as aiming your compressor right in the middle of the peaks so that we can grab everything below the tall peaks. About 10 to 20 dB of gain reduction. This is very aggressive. Step 3, ratio adjustment. Okay, switch over to meter view. Drop the ratio all the way down, then gradually raise it until you're seeing about 10 dB of gain reduction. That's about half. This is where we move from static to alive. We want enough control to give energy without suffocating the sound. Step 4, attack shaping. With this specific compressor, I know I can drop the attack all the way to 200 milliseconds. And here's the magic. By slowing down the attack, you let the initial hit or the transients that punch through while controlling the body of the sound. Step 5, release control. Back to the graph view. Start to gradually speed up the release until the meter is just barely resetting to 0 during the long pauses in the drum pattern. This is a visual example of what it would look like too slow. This is a visual example of what it would look like too fast. We want something in the middle, just like this. This adds that snap and gets rid of any unwanted muddiness. Step 6, match loudness or makeup gain. Final step, match the levels. Return to meter view and note the amount of gain reduction that's happening. Since this is about 3 dB of gain reduction, with the makeup gain, I'll add 3 dB back in. Pro tip, you can add soft distortion to add just a little bit more punch. With more punch, you can now lower the volume a bit to avoid peaking, but still have that power and punch. And just like that, we've taken these drums from flat and buried to punchy and full of energy. You can hear it. It's not just louder, it's alive. The hard part is remembering these steps in every mix. That's why I built the free Logic Compression Toolkit. Inside, you'll get the exact punchy roadmap, plus proven workflows for vocal compression, so you never have to guess again. If you're ready to turn your flat drums into punchy pro-level mixes, hit the link in the description and grab your free toolkit, and I'll see you in the next one.